Yep, you seen the title in the thumbnail. We got sliders on the menu, but we're gonna make them for breakfast. I'm gonna show you guys how to make sausage breakfast sliders. Y'all ready? Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, let's do a quick rundown of what we have for today's recipe. Back here we have our eggs. We have our Hawaiian roll sliders here. We have pre-cooked sausage here. This is the boar's head. I love this brand. These are some delicious sausage. You can also make your own. It's totally up to you. If you make your own sausage, just make sure that it's cooked before you add it to your buns. Melted butter, Colby Jack cheese, salt and pepper, maple syrup. Have some chives here. We have the white part of the scallion here, and we have some shredded cheddar cheese. So let's get to it. All right, guys, to get started, we're going to create our maple butter sauce. So we're just going to add our maple syrup to our melted butter, and we're just going to get that mixed in like this. And guys, we're going to just like that, and we're going to set it aside. All right, so let's start preparing our eggs. We're going to add our salt and pepper here to our eggs, and we're going to get that baby mixed around. All right, just like that. Let's set that aside. All right, so we're going to start cooking our eggs. So we're going to heat up this non-stick pan. Going to add our eggs. And guys, you can cook your eggs to your desire. I like mine scrambled hard, so I'm gonna make sure they are scrambled hard. I'm gonna add our scallions in here. And guys, this is totally optional. It's totally up to you if you like onions in your eggs. I do, especially in my omelets. Although this is not an omelet, kind of similar. All right, so once we get our eggs to our desired doneness, I like mine scrambled hard, we're good here. We're gonna turn off our heat. Now let's head over to our baking dish so we start building out our sliders. All right, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna spray our baking dish with a little cooking spray. Man, I need to get some more. Looks like I'm out of cooking spray, so I'm just gonna take a little butter and grease the bottom of it like that. Works just as well. Now we're just gonna take the bottom part of our rolls, add them to our baking dish like this. And guys, I'll go ahead and cut mine before I place them in the baking dish. Now, for some reason, I find it easier than trying to do it at the end. It always messes up for some reason. Maybe it's just me, I don't know. So once we get that bottom layer down there, we're gonna start adding our cheese. And you can use pepper jack, cheddar, whatever type of cheese you want. It's really totally up to you. That Gouda, whatever floats your boat. I'm a Colby Jack type guy. I love that Colby Jack. All right, guys. So in this next step, as we're building this, it's totally up to you. You can add your eggs now, or you can add your sausage. It's totally up to you. If you're using bacon, you can add your bacon. I'm going in with my sausage. Got some extra sausage. I'll go ahead and add that here. You never have too much meat, that's for sure. Now we're gonna come across that with our eggs. Now we're gonna take our cheese and we're gonna top it with that cheddar cheese. Man, this is looking too awesome. And all we gotta do now is take our tops of our buns. Just like that. Now you're gonna take your melted butter with the maple syrup, and you're gonna brush the top of these babies like that. And guys, you wanna pretty much use all this. You want that baby to drop. You want all that butter to fall down the sides and to the bottom of that pan, which is gonna give it that extra flavor at the bottom. Next, you want to take a little foil and you want to cover it really loosely. Don't tighten it up. Just kind of cover it loosely and make sure you have your oven preheated to 350 degrees. And we're gonna cook this for 20 minutes. So I already got my oven ready. So let's go ahead and pop it in. All right, guys, so we're about 20 minutes in. We're gonna remove our veil. Man, take a look at that. Oh my goodness. I have a little bit of that butter sauce here. Gonna baste it one last time with it. Take some of those chives. Gonna drop them over here like this. And there you have it, guys. Sausage breakfast sliders. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's go ahead and jump into quality control so we can do a taste test. Man, I'm ready. These baby look good. All right, let's go. All right, we back in here, quality control. Man, look at these breakfast sliders. It ain't even breakfast. Hey man, it's lunchtime, but we about to go ahead and get to these babies. Oh man, so cheesy. Sausagey. Oh man, eggy. Oh man, let me see. Oh. Oh man. One thing about these, you can make it however you want to make it. Bacon, sausage, turkey bacon, turkey sausage. And however you make your eggs, put some green onions, green bell peppers, red bell pepper, however you make it, you can put this on this slider. Oh man, give it a try. So, until the end, y'all already know who I am. All wings, everything. And remember, him not a chef, him just cook a lot. And I'm out. Peace.